Hello everyone, welcome back to Roger Journal. I'm Alice. In this journaling video, I'm continuing the Halloween mood from the last week. I chose this page because the right page had orange and red colors and the left page was dark indigo, so I thought it would go well with the pumpkins I wanted to journal with. Bayer magazine pages, I cut out pumpkins and candy illustrations. Tags that I made for new digital kit. It'll be available real soon in my Etsy shop. This is a big paper bag from a bakery. I was keeping it because it was clean and it had the illustrations on it. I made a bouquet with the pumpkin soup on the left page and added baker's twine to the text. I torn the paper back and added at the bottom and the top on the right page to give a vintage feel. They are cute little ghosts that I did physical with the candy illustrations. I glued 5 of them. I am finishing the page with some little quotes and a label to stamp the date, of course. Lastly, I am adding more quotes on the text too, layering with a scrap and washi tape. I am stamping the date. Now I'm journaling on the text. This is how today's Halloween journal has done. I love the pumpkins. The jack-o'-lantern is so cute and I love the colors on this page. Orange as a point with dark tones. I hope you enjoy this journaling process. If you do Halloween journaling too, I'd love to see yours. Please tag me on social media. As I mentioned earlier, new digital vintage kit will be available in my Etsy shop real soon. I'll be sharing a closer look of it in the next video. Thank you so much for watching. See you next Thursday. Bye bye.